Hello, and then I have a solve Leetcode number 20, valid parentheses. Basically, question am I parentheses set B, and I'm saying confirm say a true and I say false. So we share first example on my BBC. Right? It's parentheses B. First, there was you say the number of opening parentheses no equal to the number of close parentheses, right? Into we say no that. Another example I'm there my also you say, right? Right, we show the number of opening parentheses for each type of bracket now. Way the correspondence near. Right. And a way so the correspondence near. And a way so the correspondence near. And a way so the correspondence near. Right. It's one thing is you want to say parentheses be the type of parentheses be and the opening should be equal to the closing. Right. Last example, another example from the my and say my opening back, no my close back. We say no opening type no different in the way a wrong type it's a valid, right? Last example from the my and only say and we say way and a way, right? By so say nanka way no be true has a and can we be wrong, right? Into no even though parentheses be valid na will say way no cover way, right? Even say be a letters be one say as if way no cover anything that way correct, right? But if we are way into your best at here from as we in a closing or I say and son away soon a closing number, right? Into another way, another example a clear up we no soon say give you an example BTCC. You will see you will be say in your BBC, right? We are wrong, we are correct, but we are wrong. Even though number count near the same no. And for me a correct parenthesis way inclusive BBR, right? Because we have a share way in fin and now we were outside into way near valid, right? So looking at this now, the finding way I will say at every opening BI or see will close, right? Into one thing a bit to my end say you better gather openings in now a good baby, right? For we see you better gather we see opening first one it will go as now opening second one also yeah the two has now opening third one also yeah the two has in this year barney closer first one I mentioned pack close was into now the close, right? Yeah barney we drew another opening here opening was into near the close. Yeah barney we drew has here you draw another closer opening was into near the close. But yeah, you say into means solve way, right? Into you be introduce you something called stacks, right? Stacks now your first in, last out, right? Into stack an idea. Into your fancy we say no, okay, you create stacker. We say no. We open on near the to stack name, right? In the fancy stacker, it be to stack name. Open. You be closer. You pop a stack now. The top no never first. Into your pop a stack now. You guys oh that stack no you open and I will you close into a matchy way, you know. Correct. And this is here, not stack, not sign be empty. Yeah, but we are open here, sign to stack me, right? The way that top was stack me. You have closer, near poppy way. It's here poppy up. We say near the way no swap a correction, I just say correct. The same thing for this one, right? And basically, if you use stacks and dictionaries to solve this, right? Your best story opening, closing braces inside dictionary. Now if you opener, you share stack name. You who close and you compare dictionary and you say stack near poppy and the same, right? Until you question the way to solve this question way. Detect characters in a way create a dictionary, right? The dictionary close. Closing braces, a key and a value in here. Opening braces. Closing braces. Value in here. Opening braces. And closing curly braces. Value in here. Opening curly braces. Right. Into if you are create a stack. Right. Stack, no. Stack, you can see it as what stacking books on top of books on top of books. Open so you book back one, so we the washroom and sana or we the washroom and all go the was here, right? And then a stack. I mean, any normal person will be yes, so the answer no go yes here. Into a no and then a stack, right? So also imagine how stack works. Into the first one in will be the last one out, because first one will be to stack, always start to stack, then be quite a bunch. So we through the answer will be as here, right? Into we stack. Into for each character in S, if the character is in dictionary of characters, that means your closing braces, right? Into say Nima, let's just say a opening braces into no. Say Nima, the can stack no. Right? But say a woman that's stack near empty. And now say a poppy first element in a stack. That's a any equal to dictionary key character where I'll see every return a false. Right? A opening braces are at better stack name. Right? Say you open it, but say you closing be closing here, the closings need a key and then the value into a poppy opening if you have normal, right? They equal to the value of the closing. Now right? And I will say that top also. See here area, like I said earlier, the number of opening and the number of closes should be the same. In this here, a poppy BBA free stack in the stack should be empty, right? And Orbit returning as not stack, and I say length of stack is equal to 0, and this should be a good solution, right? Okay, in the say you solve a valid parenthesis, Okay, I think say we a O of n solution space and also be a O of n. Alright, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Like I say,